You're welcome again. It's Reader's Time. What has words but never speaks? A book. What can travel around the world while staying in the same spot? A stamp. What has a neck but no head? A bottle. What gets wetter the more it dries? A towel. What has one eye but can't see? A needle. What can fill a room but takes up no space? Light. Check my story every day for more.